Hello everybody, what's up? Dennis Allen here. Just a quick hello, whatever. You don't know about that yet. Stay tuned to see what that is. But this is what I'm doing right now. I'm cleaning up for Quarry Fest, and I like to do a little fun things while I do work. So I'm cleaning up, trying to put things away. I got a horn. Let me show you how my horn works. So if you come over, this is my horn. You could do that or this. Those are my two methods to let me know when you're down at the quarry here. Oh, I got a headache now. And way up there, I could probably hear both of them. So just a little city boy, hillbilly horn doorbell. Take it easy, everybody. Hey, Quarry Fest, April 20th. Quarry Fest 420. April 20th, 2019. Come on down. I think we have 15 bands now. Good Lord, it is a lot. There'll be links below. Peace out, everybody. Dennis Allen, City Boy Homesteader out.